everyone, thanks for joining me for another planning video. This week I'm going to be using a super cute kit from Mockeri. I used a decorative sheet from Mockeri in my Easter spread and I really liked the quality of the stickers, so I'm going to go ahead and use this one for this week. I've got some date dots and day covers from Birdie Planning, some quarter boxes from Stickers by kikki.K, and then these other more decorative boxes from Arctic Paper Studio that I might use as well. I'm going to start off by using this side washi down the sides of my planner and then punch out the holes, and then I'm going to get started on the date covers. And I just want to apologize quickly for the lighting in this video. The sun kept hiding behind the clouds, so it's a little bit all over the place. So for the date covers, I wanted to use these glitter headers that came with the kit, and I'm taking some inspiration from myself from last week and using them instead of washi to cover up the existing dates on my planner. So I'm just going to alternate the colors. I end up using like 1 1/3 for each day, so I had like the perfect amount. I had a few leftovers, but it's better than having a full sheet just sitting there that I feel like I'm never going to use. Then I just layer over the day of the week and then the dot next to it. I've gone ahead and filled out the rest of those, just alternating the colors, and then I'm going to do another like row of glitter headers on top of the notes section as well, just so it's nice and cohesive with the rest of the top of the boxes. Then I'm going to use a half box and one of these cute little icons. It's like I don't know what the character is called. I think it's like a little bunny, and they're holding a sticky note. So I'm going to write uni readings in the sticky note and then write the actual readings in the box. Then I've got a checklist for my meal planning for the week, for all my dinners and everything as well. I'm starting off on Monday with one of these boxes from the Stickers by kikki.K sheet, and then I'm going to use another, I think this is like an appointment label. It's a little bit smaller from the kit just underneath. Then I'm using some of this thin washi to make myself like a DIY header, I guess. And then I've got these clear to-do stickers that I feel like I've been using quite a bit recently. I'm just going to use one of the more like cursive script ones, but cut off the colored little like flower thing next to it so that it is just black. Then I'm using these little dot icons from the kit just to make some checkpoints on the list. I do end up changing that washi that I use behind to it's like a white with little dots. I've used it plenty of times before. I'm actually nearly running out of that one, but I just think the colors looked a bit nicer. On Tuesday, you can see I've just started out with a half box, and then I'm keeping it pretty simple. I'm just going to go in with a to-do header and then trim down a heart checklist and pop that underneath. Now I did lose a little bit of footage from Wednesday, but you can see I just put down 2 like flag stickers next to each other, and then I'm going to pop a row of washi underneath just to separate that from the rest of the day. I've already put in a little like appointment label at the bottom. That's just to mark my class. Then I realized I forgot to put in my work scripts. So these ones are from Wednesday planning. They're really good. You get so many on one sheet, so definitely worth it in my opinion. There's been some other sheets that I've used that have only lasted me a few spreads, whereas this one will last quite a while. Then you can see I've just popped in some other icons. One of these is from Happy Dyer. Then the 2 little like emoji style ones are from Stickers by kikki.K. On Thursday, I'm starting off with a today header at the top of the page. And then I wanted to use this half box to mark in my work time, but I also wanted to use this really cute little TV to mark in that Bachelor in Paradise is on, my absolute favorite show at the moment. And then above the half box, I'm just going to use one of these Claire Bear Prints pencil icons, and then a little circle icon from the kit just to pop in a few things that I have to do that day as well. I've also got this little, I'm going to call it a bunny, with a coffee cup that I've put next to the half box as well. I carried over the glitter header idea to the weekend banner. It was a bit small in this kit, but I think by having the headers on either side, it doesn't look like it's meant for a much tinier planner. I've got this really cute laptop sticker from Planner Girl Problems. This is just off a sampler that I received recently, and it's like a big laptop that you can write on. So I put that up the top, and I'm going to end up writing film plan with me in there. And as you saw, apparently I had a sudden urge to add another box in for Wednesday. I must have been going through my samples or something, because I grabbed this other one that says you can do it and popped it next to these little page flags that I have put there to mark two interviews that I have to secure a placement for uni. So little nervous, little excited. You can do it. Perfect sticker. Back to Friday, I'm making a similar to-do list that I did on Monday. So just using the clear sticker over the thin washi. Then I'm gonna trim down a checklist from the kit and pop that underneath. There was still a bit of space there that I wanted to fill up with some icons next to that laptop sticker, and there was this cute little grocery character from the kit as well. So I popped the grocery kit down, the grocery icon, and then this cute little pen cup icon as well. On Sunday, I'm using this half box. I'm gonna use this to pop in my work time. Just a bit unsure of where to put it. I was contemplating using one of the full boxes, but I like how this turned out with a bit more white space. Then another sampler makes an appearance. This one's from Busy Bee Prints, and it has a really pink, I don't even know if you would still call it rose gold, like a very pinky rose gold foil, different stickers on there. So I've used this Instagram post one, and then I popped a little circle icon next to it as well. Then I have a bill due my insurance on Sunday and rent due on Saturday. So I'm using two of the little flags from the kit and then some Peaceful Mind Design script stickers over the top. I really like the effect that gave, and it was kind of satisfying having them both on 2 days next to each other. I'm just using the pinky rose gold foiled laptop on the Wednesday, and then adding in the coffee cup on Monday as well, just to bring in a bit more of that foil so it doesn't look funny only being on Sunday. There was also a cute little character icon holding a basket of folding up to do. So I popped that in my to-do list. I feel like I could put that on every day of the week, and I probably still wouldn't get my folding up done, but it's a cute sticker, so might as well use it. I'm just gonna go ahead and fill out my planner, and then that is my finished spread. I hope you guys like it. I feel like there's a bit more white space. I didn't really have much to pop up the top. Love how it turned out, love these stickers. And if you want to see how I continue to fill out my planner during the week, make sure to follow me on Instagram. Thanks so much. Bye.